Signs of a bad timing chain. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a crucial component in your car's engine, the timing chain. A bad timing chain can cause serious problems, so it's important to know the signs. Rattling or clattering noises. One of the earliest signs is a noise coming from the engine, especially when starting or idling. This is caused by the chain slapping against other engine components. Misfiring. A bad timing chain can disrupt the engine's timing, leading to misfires. This can cause the car to jerk or hesitate. Reduced power. Your car may feel sluggish or have decreased acceleration. This is because the engine isn't running at its optimal efficiency. Increased fuel consumption. A mistimed engine can burn more fuel. You may notice your fuel gauge dropping faster than usual. Check engine light. If the engine's computer detects a problem with the timing chain, the check engine light may illuminate. Difficulty starting. In severe cases, the engine may struggle to start or stall. Remember, if you notice any of these symptoms, it's important to have your car inspected by a mechanic as soon as possible. A failing timing chain can lead to significant engine damage if not addressed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tips and tricks.